have some?
Yeah.
Can I have half?
Yeah, sure. I can just break it right in half and give you...
Actually, can I have 2/3?
Yeah.
What does she mean 2/3? I could do half, but what does she mean 2/3? I know 2, I know 3, but 2/3. Well, hell.
Hello, I'm Mr. Nay. Welcome to 21st Century, and today we will go over on what is a fraction. But before that, let's go over our learning target as well as our vocabulary.
Learning target. Today, I will learn about parts and wholes so that I understand numerators and denominators. I know I have it when I can determine a representation of a fraction. Vocabulary. Numerator, the top part of a fraction. It shows how many equal parts of the denominator are represented. Denominator, the bottom part of a fraction. It shows how many equal parts that the item has been divided into.
Okay, let's go over on what a fraction could look like. So, I'm going to put one up. 2/3. Now, the top number is what we call our numerator, which is covered in our vocabulary. And the bottom number, which is separated by a line, is called the denominator. Again, it is covered in our vocabulary. And you can say 2/3 or 2/3. 2/3. 2 is the numerator, the 3 is the denominator. And you could also think about it this way. The numerator can be seen as the parts that you have. The denominator is the whole, how many pieces, equal pieces there are. Okay, so far we know that the top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator, and we could also look at it as the top is the parts of the whole. Now let's look at a model to really understand what a fraction might look like. Now remember, we did say that 3 is the whole, so let's go ahead and represent it as a bar model. And the whole has 3 equal parts. So let's break this model, our bar model, into 3 equal parts. And the top number, the numerator, are the parts that you have. So how many parts should I shade in? You guessed it, 2 parts are shaded in. This is a direct representation of 2/3.
All right, time for your objective. How would you represent 3 equal parts of this tortilla? Very good. How would you represent 2/3 of this tortilla? Tick tock, tick tock, tick, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Very good. This is a representation of 2/3.